welcome to today's organizational video as well as a little bit of cleaning motivation. I'm going to be organizing my hall closet. Now it's pretty bad. That's all I have to say about that. It's going to be a great transformation. I have a lot of old towels because I don't know, I just never throw towels out, and I have some that I think I've had for maybe 15 years, maybe longer. I don't know. I've had them for a while and I have to show you what state they are in. So like this towel, for instance, yeah, it's bad. I really needed some new towels, so I'm going to be showing you my new towels, how I'm organizing everything. I have a really cool folding technique that I'm going to be showing you so that everything's it's looking nice. And I also have some cleaning motivation for you today. So we're going to be doing the bathroom here, which is a whole nother disaster all in its own. It's the kids' bathroom, so enough said. Anyways, before I get to the organizing and the cleaning, I do want to show you a little bit about the outfit that I'm wearing today because it was sent to me by Yvette Sports. So I want to thank Yvette Sports for sending me some amazing athletic wear. I'm going to be showing you all the pieces that they sent me, and I will list them in the description box below in case there's anything that you want specifically. They also have a wide range of products on their website, which I will also list below, as well as my discount code, which is Tammy15. You can use that to get 15% off anything on their website, in fact your entire order. So make sure that you go and check that out. But for right now, I will show you what I got. So I got this sports bra, and it has a bit of like a denim feel to it, or a denim look, I should say. It feels nice and soft. It comes down like quite low here, and then I also got the matching leggings. They come up nice and high, which I love because I've had 4 babies and, you know, stretch marks. I love how high it comes up. It comes well above the belly button. So I'll just back up here so that you can see it a little bit more here. And yeah, they are super comfortable and great to work out in. And this is also very true to size. I'm wearing a medium right now, which is what I usually order. So make sure that you also check out their sizing chart just in case you're not sure about your size. They have all of that on the website. So I'm also going to show you a top that I have to go over top of this. I also got this really cute crop top, so it can go over top of any kind of sports bra. It is a little bit sheer, so I would probably wear something underneath it, but it does give a little bit more coverage. So it has the thumb holes here and really cute detailing in the back. So anyways, I will link this one below. I absolutely love it. But now I'm going to show you another completely different outfit that I got from Yvette Sports. So this is a short-sleeved black crop top, and it also has a built-in bra. It also has this little peekaboo detailing up here. So like I said, it is a crop top, so it doesn't come down very low, and I'll show you the back there. I also got a pair of basic black leggings. They come up nice and high, just like the other leggings, and I'll just back up so that you can see them all the way here. And yeah, everything is super comfortable. I highly recommend their products, and they are very decently priced. So make sure that you go and check them out. You can use my discount code of Tammy15 for 15% off your entire order. All right, so let's get back to getting the closet all put together, and I'll show you that transformation there. As you can see, this closet has been neglected. I often just throw things in here. I guess some of the towels are actually folded, but for the most part, it is a bit of a mess. So I'm gonna start by taking everything out so that I have a clean slate. On the bottom, there is a container. It has a bunch of old science curriculum that the kids were using last year, but this is just all the leftover stuff, so it can be taken away. It doesn't really need to sit here because it's not even even being used. However, I can still use the big plastic container and perhaps I can store something else in there. So now that I have it all cleaned out, I'm vacuuming the bottom, and I'll show you the new towels as well as the new folding technique that I'm going to use. So these towels are from Walmart. I found that they were a really great price. I kind of compared them to things on Amazon, and these were definitely a better buy. So for the folding technique, you want to lie your towel out nice and flat, and then take the top corner and fold it over diagonally so that it creates a large triangle. Now on the top point of that triangle, you want to fold it over again so that it creates a little triangle in the towel. I like to smooth it out again to make sure that it's nice and flat, and then I take the top corners and flip it over completely. Then I'll take the bottom of the towel and fold it upwards towards the angled part. Now you don't actually have to do this part, but it does save a lot of time in rolling, and then I roll it upwards. If you noticed, I left a little bit of a gap when I folded the towel upwards, and that's because when I'm rolling, it's going to push the towel up slightly, and you don't want to see that overlap. So once it is all rolled up, then I take the end, tuck it in, and it will really secure it this way, and this towel is going to stay in place, which is so nice for when you're putting it in your closet. You don't ever have to worry about it becoming unfolded as people are putting things in and taking things out of your linen closet. Plus, it just looks really beautiful, and if you like to display your towels in your bathroom, then this is a really pretty way to do that. So I'm just going to show you a few more times how I do this technique. Of course, I'll speed it up so that you can see it a little bit more quickly, but I absolutely love this technique, and I am definitely going to keep using it because it just keeps things more organized and more put together. I decided to try this same technique on my hand towels, and it worked out great. You can definitely use this on smaller towels as well.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down?
When it came to my washcloths, they were just too tiny to use this technique on, so instead I folded them in half and then folded them in three. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish folding all of my new towels and washcloths and hand towels using the techniques that I just showed you.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
So I was so thrilled with how all of my bath towels turned out that I decided to use the same technique on my beach towels, and after I did this I realized how convenient this is going to be because we can just grab these when we're going to the pool or we're going to the beach. They're going to stay in place in the beach bags or the pool bags, and I think that this is great for when you have towels that you're bringing with you on the go. Now that I've refolded everything, I'm going to restock the linen closet, starting with the campfire blankets and then adding in the washcloths and hand towels on the next level. After that, I'm lining up the beach towels on this shelf, and below that I'm going to be putting all of the bath towels, and they all look so beautiful rolled up this way, and I know that they are going to stay in place and it's going to keep my closet well organized. At the bottom of my closet, I'm using this plastic bin again, but I'm gonna organize it with all of the toilet paper, and the reason that I have such a large bin is because I often get the really big packs from like Costco or Walmart, and so I know that they can all fit into the large bin at the bottom, and I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the little landing that's just outside of my closet, and then I'm going to head into my kids' bathroom, which is a really gross disaster. Now on camera, I don't think it really picks up how nasty this is, but trust me, it is bad. There is toothpaste all over the place, and there's like a layer of dust or grime or something that is on there. There's hair everywhere, and this shower was full of soap scum. So what I did to clean it is I sprayed it down with cleaner, and then I took a wet Scrub Daddy sponge and really scrubbed everything off so that I was able to eliminate for the most part all of the soap scum that had accumulated on this shower.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but
Once I had thoroughly scrubbed the shower, I took the shower head and rinsed off any remaining cleaner or dirt that might be remaining. I also made sure to clean the outside of the tub before I moved on to cleaning the toilet. Now I usually have a pretty good routine for cleaning my toilets, which is I put the toilet bowl cleaner in, let that sit, and then I spray the toilet down and then clean it with a wet paper towel, after which I will use a dry paper towel, and that usually gets any remaining scum or dirt or hair that was perhaps remaining after I wiped it down with the wet one. However, today it needed a little bit extra, so I actually did the wet paper towel technique twice with the spray because there was so much dust and grime and hair and scum and everything else. It was on the toilet, and it just needed an extra little something today. So while I'm finishing cleaning the toilet, I actually wanted to talk about the linen closet because I didn't have a chance to tell you guys about some of my minimalism in there. If you might have noticed, there were no bed sheets, there were no pillowcases, there weren't any blankets other than the campfire blankets that I had in there, and that is because for every one of our beds that we have in our house, there is only one set of sheets, and they stay on the beds. What I do is I wash them and then I put them right back on the beds. We do not have extra sheets in this house. I do have a few extra blankets, but I keep those downstairs in our couch. It has a compartment that flips up, so I just put the extra blankets in there so I don't have to keep them in my linen closet, and that is everything that I have for linens. So I just like to keep things quite minimal and not have things that I don't need. And also it's a great minimalist hack when it comes to your sheets and stuff, because we never have to fold sheets in my house. It goes right from the bed to the laundry, right back on the bed, and there is no need to fold anything. Alright, so as you can see, I am now cleaning underneath my sink, and as I was filming this and looking back, I realized how red the back wall is, and that must have been the color that my bathroom used to be. It must have been a bright red before, so I'm glad the previous owners decided to paint this white, because I can't even imagine having a bright red bathroom. That would be crazy. Anyways, it's white, that's great. And as I was putting everything back underneath my sink, I also did a little bit of decluttering because there was some old stuff that wasn't being used. Anyhow, I am on to the sink now, and what I'm doing is actually wiping it down with the paper towel first because there was so much hair and grime that I knew it would clog up anything that I tried to clean with, so I decided to get that out of the way first before I used the Scrub Daddy so that the Scrub Daddy wasn't just getting clogged up with hair and stuff. But because this sponge is really hard and stiff, it's working really well to scrub off anything that was really stuck onto the sink, such as the toothpaste, even against the back wall. That was really hard to get off, but with using this Scrub Daddy, it was actually coming off pretty good. But afterwards, I still used a paper towel with some spray to finish cleaning any remaining grime off of the sink.
I'm thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall right in front of me. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you.
I'm trying my best to get a close-up here so you can see how bad the mirror is, but even there, it really doesn't translate through the camera how bad it was, but it was really bad. I definitely had to go over this mirror a couple times to fully get it cleaned, but this is what happens when you neglect the bathroom for quite a while and you just tell your kids to clean it once in a while, but they clean it, but they don't clean it the way I clean it. So anyways, it's getting super cleaned now, and we are moving on to the floor, which again is disgusting. I don't know why it gets so disgusting, but there's definitely some, debris and stuff that has developed over time, and there's like this thick layer of dust that is just over top of everything. Combined with the moisture, it just becomes very tangible. And so anyways, I'm getting this floor cleaned, and it is the last thing that needs to be cleaned up in this bathroom, and I'm very grateful for that because that means that I am almost done.
If I could speak up, then maybe you would hear, or maybe the tension could disappear. I'll give it a shot, a whisper in your ear. At least for a moment you would be near. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you.
Now to finish off by taking one of my beautifully folded towels and hanging it beside the sink in the bathroom.
Give you a sign, my communications were less. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection.
So I just want to thank everyone for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the new towel folding technique that I showed you, as well as all of the cleaning motivation. If you happen to be new here and would like to see more content like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see more videos from my channel. And I hope that you guys all just have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.